MAN TGA key programming, and it's programmed on this processor 95C86 in the FFR control box body control, and this serves for MAN TGA, MAN TGS, MAN TGX model from 2001 to 2015. And we are using two tools. We are going to use a Orange 5 programmer, and we are going to use the Z-Bull transponder programmer to program this MAN key. Connected, it will tell you there's a problem detected on pin 5 SI, so I can adjust, look for pin 5, test again. It's telling me it's having problems on pin 1, so I've done more errors, so I have to reconnect and check. So let me check again. So here I test again, chip not detected, that means there's a bigger problem. And it's telling me all the pins okay. That means if all the pins are okay, I'm good to go with the reading. So I go here and I read. So it is reading the processor data, and it's telling me the read is successful, and it has read this data. So to justify that, I can go right here and save the data, and I will save this as MAN. Save it in desktop, and I'll save it as MAN file. The MAN file, that's MAN FFR 3 file. So I click save. So I'm done reading the data. We're done saving the file. It's right here, and we set it as MAN 33 file. So this file is for the processor. I told you, the M95-256V, and open the software. So the software is it's called Z-Bull. Z-Bull. It's right here. Z-Bull. So I open the Z-Bull file. So it's when you open the Z-Bull interface, this is what you see. It's showing you the list. Then I open the file that I saved. So to open the file that I saved, I go here to open dump file. When I open the dump file, I scroll down. We are opening the MAN FFR3 file in a file directory. So we click on open. It already shows it's a binary file. Open, and when you load the software onto, when you load the firmware onto this software, it will tell you that where it belongs. It will tell you the transponder type is T5, and so the transponder is going to start the vehicle if you put a transponder T5, and it's going to tell you that the pin that you've read, the processor you've read, is an 8-pin processor, and the 5 belongs to a TGA, and it will tell you this is a MAN track VDO FFR immobilizer box which we are having, and it will automatically detect it. It's right here.